Been sent some friggin' awesome stuff from Influenster before. I was sent an air fryer once. Like, I can never say that right. And what's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today we are doing mask, and I'm going to talk about some skincare that I was sent a little while ago, and I just kind of wanted to sit down and chill. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. We are just getting back into things. I haven't been here for a while. We're just going to dive right in. This is a peel-off mask. So this is a peel-off face mask. It says that is purifying. It's made with pomegranate and cucumber. It's paraben-free, tones and purifies skin. This is from Life brand. This is the Shoppers Drug Mart brand. So if you live in Canada, you probably know what I'm talking about. If you live elsewhere, you're probably like, yeah. So it's just a clear gel. I'm going to use my hand to apply it. And I'm going to get myself a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. I've had this in my collection for a little while. I've been meaning to use it, and my skin's really friggin' mad at me right now. I haven't really worn much makeup lately. I did film a video yesterday. I'll leave that linked somewhere here, probably in a card and in the description below. But, so I've been meaning to use this, and like I said, my skin's been acting up a little bit. I wish I had a brush. I didn't keep a mask brush here. I think I packed one away. So we're just gonna make do. Use my hands. It has like a kind of a strong scent. Sort of like rubbing alcohol. It feels gentle. You've got some really nice skincare products here that I want to talk about while we're waiting for this mask to dry. So I'm just making sure that I have a nice even layer all over my whole face. A little bit down on my neck too, because my neck's been breaking out also. It says to leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes, which is perfect because I'm just going to kind of chat about these products that I have here. The first thing I want to talk about is this Lancome Regenerate, whatever it is, HCF triple serum. So it has hyaluronic acid, C plus niacinamide. I can never say that right. And ferulic acid. If you don't know what Influencer is, it is a review program. I have got sent some friggin' cool stuff. So if you can see, the 3 different types of serums all come out in this neat little dispenser. And it feels really nice. I'm probably going to use this tonight before bed. I haven't decided, but I really like it. I really like the applicator, like the dispenser, because it's like a pump, like you pull it down. Very pretty. I've been sent some friggin' awesome stuff from Influencer before. I was sent an air fryer once, like a full air fryer. If you haven't checked them out, please check out my description below, because I do have my link for them. So you could go there and you could sign up and you might get chosen for a voxbox. Next up, we have this tonic from Ingredients. So these next few products were sent to me from Yes Style. So they send you some stuff, you get to review it. I will leave everything linked down below. If you do buy anything from that I put under the Yes Style link, I do believe that I get something. So just with that being in mind, you just kind of like put a couple drops. What I like to do is take a couple drops on my hands and just kind of tap it into my skin. I haven't used that much of it, but I really haven't been doing much skincare lately. Like, I really just haven't been doing much. I'm really hopeful to use this. It is not a glass bottle. I thought at first it was, but it looks pretty. The next up, I have this serum. So this is from Inna. This is Propolis Vitamin Synergy Serum. It says it's powerful, calming, nourishing, and brightening, and it is for wrinkle care. I have used this a few times. It's a very nice serum. It does feel kind of thick, almost oil-like, but not quite, if that makes sense. I haven't used it too many times, just a couple drops goes a long way. I don't think it has a scent. No scent. That I was also sent this from them as well a different time. It's a cleanser. This stuff's friggin' awesome. My face feels so clean when I use this. So these two products I have been sent. They are really nice. I do like them. I also sent a cleanser during this with this box of stuff. I don't have it with me right now, and that's because it's in the hanger, and that's usually where I wash my face. Two more things that I was sent that I do want to talk about. This one is the Real Bakutroil. I don't even know. I'm not even gonna try and say it. That. So this is a firming syrup. It's a phytoretinol firming booster, and it helps create firm, smooth, and radiant skin. It's from Neogen Dermatology. I've used this 2 or 3 times. This one I think does have a scent. Yeah, but it's very mild. This one's a little bit like thicker. I haven't really been doing my skincare routine at all, so it's really nice to kind of sit back down and share some things that I've had in my collection for a while that I just haven't had a chance to use. So this is from Maison. This is this multifunction formula Snail Repair Intense Gold Eye Gel patches. Comes with a little spatula like this and a little separator so that it keeps everything from drying out. And then it does come with these gold under eye patches. They're just like any typical patch. I will be using these tonight for my skincare routine. Anytime I've ever used them, my under eyes just do feel a little bit more nourished, a little bit more plump, a little bit happier than they typically are. This is starting to feel dry. It's feeling a little sticky, a little tacky. Won't be too much longer until we are ready to peel it off. It's drying on my forehead a little bit. It is getting drier, but we're just not quite there. My skin is fucking awful right now. Okay, so it's starting to feel like it's getting closer, but when I like touch over here, it's still a little bit tacky. It's almost ready. Okay, we're getting really close to it being ready. It's literally right here. And I don't want to peel it because I want it to be completely ready. So overall, this mask is feeling nice. It doesn't have like that painful pinching feeling that some peel off masks do. Like they get really tight and you like feel your friggin' face just like that. Not a good time. This feels a lot more like it's gonna be bearable. It is like starting to like peel a little bit on its own right around here. Okay, I think it's time. I think the time has come. That was pretty perfect. That actually peeled really well. All in all, I'm actually very happy. It doesn't even feel like there's like any residue left on my skin. I will of course probably go in with a toner before I do the rest of my skincare, but overall I really liked this mask, and I'm really glad that I was able to share a few of these items that I have been meaning to chat with you guys about. So thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a like and share it if you know somebody who might enjoy this type of content. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you soon.